Well, I did a drain and fill on my transmission fluid the last time. Then I see a leak. So I'm gonna try to fix this leak, okay? And at the same time, I'm gonna do another drain and refill. All right, here we go. Okay, so see, the washer's still here. So right now, I'm gonna turn this washer around. I'm gonna reuse it and see if it stopped leak or not. To check it tomorrow. Find that hole right there. Of course, this is Allen 10mm. That's what we use for tie and loosen up this transmission drain bolt. So check Google. It says 34 foot-pound, 33, 34. I forgot, but I'm gonna tie. Not so tight, so tight enough so it won't leak anymore. So this car is, I'm using the genuine Type 4. This car needs a 3.8 quart. Okay, I'm gonna start the car. You gotta put your feet on brake, okay? Nice and car. Reverse. For a few seconds. Neutral. Dry. For a few seconds. Third gear. Again, a few seconds. 2. Back to 3. Yeah, blows on that. Dry. It's a little better. Let's do blow. Neutral. Reverse. Pop. So the car, you want to check it why it's unpopped. But anyway, it's not warm up yet, so it's not really accurate. And I'm gonna apply my pocket fix spray on, and we'll double check the level. Okay, take it off. It's down, way down here. Oh yeah, let me see. Go ahead and add a little more. I'm gonna add half of what I got earlier. I'm gonna first try it. So now, I'm gonna have to check why it's when it dries hot. Let me see any increases. Look at all. I did a little bit. I don't know if I can catch it. I'm gonna leave that big enough. So thank you for watching, everybody.